Yeah, I think the storm was a bit stronger than I thought last night. And my short game area has not survived. Let me flip this around. I'll flip it around. Yeah. So, completely snapped. I thought I had it tied down enough and yeah. That's the weight of the wind, the rain. I just feel like it snapped at the strong enough. Short-lived. I have to rebuild when I can afford it. But yeah, one was a bit too strong. Gutted, but what can you do? Have a nice day, guys.